Welcome to this week's edition of Oncology Updates, covering the latest breakthroughs. Brought to you by Lucid Quest. Biopharma reported a 50% objective response rate in HPV-positive head and neck cancer patients from a Phase 1 study combining Q101 with pembrolizumab in patients with a CPS score greater than or equal to 1. The 12-month overall survival was 88%, with a median of 32 months. 2 complete and 10 partial responses were noted. Cantargia's CAN4 Phase 2A trial in NSCLC patients post-PD-1 therapy showed a 55% overall response rate. Among non-squamous cases, median overall survival reached 26.7 months. Benefit was also seen with nadunolimab monotherapy. SMB101, a nanoparticle SN38 formulation, was selected by the Korea Drug Development Fund for global Phase 1b, Phase 2 trials. It holds orphan drug and fast-track designations from the U.S. FDA for small cell lung cancer, supporting global development. Daiichi Sankyo and AstraZeneca's ENHERTU plus pertuzumab earned U.S. Breakthrough Therapy Designation for HER2-positive metastatic breast cancer. Destiny Breast 09 data showed median progression-free survival over 3 years. ENHERTU now holds 9 such designations, 5 in breast cancer, and may replace THP as the first-line standard. NICE has recommended Kisqali, ribociclib, for high-risk early breast cancer patients. Approval includes use with aromatase inhibitors in HR-positive, HER2-negative disease. NATALY trial data showed a 28.5% reduction in invasive disease-free survival events, marking the first UK recommendation of a CDK4/6 inhibitor for adjuvant use. Alligator Bioscience noted that partner Henlius dosed the first patient in a US Phase 3 trial of HLX22 in HER2-positive gastric cancer. Alligator is entitled to 35% of sublicense revenue from AbClon and potential milestone and royalty payments. Akeso launched a pivotal Phase 3 trial of ivonescimab in MSS and pMMR metastatic colorectal cancer, representing around 95% of metastatic colorectal cancer cases. Earlier data showed an 81.8% response rate and 100% disease control. This could be the first approved immunotherapy for this subgroup. Johnson & Johnson's TAR-200 received FDA priority review for high-risk non-muscle invasive bladder cancer. The device delivers gemcitabine into the bladder over 3 weeks. In Phase 2b, the complete response rate was 82.4%, with 52.9% cancer-free at 1 year. Treatment is outpatient and avoids systemic toxicity. Kairos Pharma's EMV105 showed good tolerability in metastatic castration-resistant prostate cancer in Phase 2. No Grade 3 or 4 adverse events or dose-limiting toxicities were seen. EMV105 is a CD105 antagonist, and the study is enrolling 100 patients. Interim efficacy data is expected September 2025. Corcept Therapeutics filed an NDA for relacorilant with nab-paclitaxel in platinum-resistant ovarian cancer. Supported by Rosella Phase 2 Phase 3 trials, the combo improved progression-free and overall survival with good tolerability and no biomarker selection required. Iovance's Amtagvi, lifileucel, showed a 49% response rate in real-world melanoma. In third-line or earlier settings, response reached 60.9%. Amtagvi is the first FDA-approved tumor-infiltrating lymphocyte therapy for solid tumors and is approved for PD-1 refractory melanoma. Senhwa Biosciences dosed the first patient in an NCI-funded trial of CX-5461, a $4.8 million study evaluating monotherapy in advanced solid tumors. CX-5461 induces DNA damage via G-quadruplex targeting with biomarker-driven elements like HRD and RAD51 analysis. Stay ahead in oncology research. Like, share, and subscribe for weekly updates. Visit lqventures.com or email us at info@lqventures.com